Are you looking for a refreshing summer salad to serve at your next backyard barbecue that will keep your guests wanting to come back for more? Well, look no further, because in this video, you will learn how to create this delicious green goddess recipe with simple, fresh summer ingredients that will satisfy any palate. Hi, I'm Vula, and I help women lose weight without the restrictive diets. Now, our recipe today can fit into anybody's meal plan, and you can feel good that the veggies included in this recipe provide plenty of fiber to keep your gut healthy and your belly full. The protein-rich nuts, seeds, and cashews help make this a one-stop meal. Oh, and please don't forget the secret sauce, which is the green goddess dressing. Absolutely delicious, and something you can use over fish or grilled chicken or even veggie kebabs. Now, let's see how it's done. Wow, what an amazing salad! That will certainly be a smash with not only your family, but your summer guests as well. Now hit that like button if you feel this delicious green goddess salad recipe is something you would consider making this week. Remember, get excited about your food. Try different recipes and rotate them through your menu for the week. This will help avoid confusion about what to eat when you are hungry, midday, or any time of the day. Remember, meal planning and meal prep are one of the important keys to successful weight management. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the bell in order to receive notifications of great recipe ideas like this.